welcome back to my channel. This is the 19th vlog in the series of the build of my model and scale train track. If you want to follow me in the whole process of building this table, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for further videos. So back again. So this is the template which I created, and this is the piece which I cut out. So I also made a standoff or a pillar to be put underneath here, and now we can make some checks. So this was the track which I bent. Let's see if it fits. I can put this a little bit back. This. I can just put this underneath. Do that. And this one will fit around here. So it looks something like that. So now we're gonna measure the pillars for the distance. So let me first make a mark here. So this is aligned, and so that's that. So I will now put a sort of a center line around this area, like this. Let's move this away. So this is the pillar which comes here, so that's the measurement. So I'm gonna do again some 10 centimeter distances as I did before. So this is 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters. So these are the markers. So I did some measurement here for the pillars. So since the board is 3 millimeters thick, the height here is 6. So this was 6.0 centimeters, which means 5.7 centimeters. So calculating it back, and this 10 centimeters should be 5.4, 3.6, and 3.3. So let's measure the distance here. 2.7. So this section here underneath this is 2.7. So taking this one back, so it's better to have this on top. I'm only going to shave a little bit off. So I'm going to use a bandsaw, and I'm going to shave this off a little bit, because it's thick enough at the top, so I'm going to leave it up there. So the thing what I'm going to do is, this section I already cut, so this is 5.7 for this area. So I'm gonna cut one over here, so that's 3.3, That's the one. I'm gonna do a 4.2 here. Since the bridge is here, I would like to have it flown like a river, like that, and then the river goes that way. So I need to have a pillar at this end, maybe at this end, but I need to check. So this will be the river. At least that is what I was thinking. So I have here a 4.9. So 4.2. This is 4.5 and 4.8. So I'm gonna make a 4.8. I'm gonna make a 4.2. I'm gonna make a 3.6 and a 3.0. So 4 pillars. So, and I will be back shortly. So, back. Let's clean it a little bit up so we can try to test fit it. So I make the studs, the pillars. So this pillar will come over here, and 3.0 will be positioned over here. So those are the pillars, and let's see if it will fit correctly. So this is the decline section. Let me put that rails on it so we can have an idea. And let me put that other piece on it as well. And you see that matches. So next thing is put the cork on, but unfortunately I don't have that much cork anymore, so I need to buy it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the rails to this section to see if we can have a train running over that section as well. So this is approximately the right curve to do, so I'm gonna cut this rail. So let's see this end, so that needs to be the same as well. I'm gonna leave this bend. I need 4 metal strips. So let me cut this one too. This way we can put them together. See that there is still a too big gap here, so I'm gonna cut off a little bit more. And let me put some cork underneath here. It's a little bit more stable. Let's see if the train is able to take that curve. So that fits. let's put the bridge back in. So this is how it's gonna look like. So we have a uphill through the bridge, then going to the train yard, and then it comes back. So this train is actually needs to be pointed the other way around, but that's where the train is. So next I will be fitting all this when the cork is has arrived. I will fit the bridge on its final position, put the rails in, put this rails in, make sure that it is isolated over here, and then we can take a bigger step. Also, this section will be a separate power section, so it will be isolated over here as well with the switch where the connection is. So looking at this layout, this is what I was thinking. Let me clean this up a little bit. So in regards to the scenery, we have a nice bridge over here. I was thinking about putting a river. Around here I don't have any blue, so otherwise I would have used blue for the water. So I would use this as the layout for a river. I can put a bridge over here for traffic, or I can put a bridge over here for traffic. I can change this to a bridge as well, but looking at the back I would not necessarily have to do that because it can go underneath. So this will be a river. And it will go underneath here, so that we have a little bit of water here as well. So that is my thoughts about it. And well, if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit then the bell icon to get notified for further videos. So I will see you in the next build, and then you will see this all finished. Alright, thank you and goodbye.